What's up, YouTube? This video is going to be about headlight restoration. I found this stuff at Lowe's today. It wasn't exactly what I was looking for, but it's Rust-Oleum brand, and the important thing about it is that it has UV protection. So I just got done spraying the first layer on this headlight, and as you can see, it's a night and day difference. Neither of my headlights were that bad, so I started sanding, wet sanding with 800 and then switched to 2000. As you're sanding this, you just got to keep it wet, keep sanding, work your way to the 2000. And then you put some rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle that helps it dry quicker, wipe it down. Then you're just going to taper off your headlight. You're going to hit it real quick with a light layer of that Rust-Oleum. And you can see already the difference that it's made. I want to let that dry. I'm going to add 2 more coats to it. This is the brand again, Rust-Oleum Universal. I was looking for the American Accents brand, but they didn't have that at Lowe's. This is pretty much the same stuff. That's what matters. So all you're going to need is your rubbing alcohol, a water bottle to spray while you're sanding, and I put my rubbing alcohol in this just to make it easy. Get an old magazine and some blue tape and tape it up as fancy as you want. I just really threw that together. It's good enough for this Jeep. This is just a daily beater. I'm not too particular about it, but I'll do another video here in a minute and show you after that one's dried how much better it's going to look.